How to add YouTube music and CapCut. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you on how you can add YouTube music and CapCut. The first step is to go ahead and proceed to download the music. Now, if you have already downloaded it, great. If you want copyright-free music, basically from YouTube Music or Audio Studio, you can head into studio.youtube.com, log in, head into Audio Library, and proceed to download any music that you would like to use. So all you gotta do is hover around and click on download, and the download should start right away, as you can see. Then you want to proceed and open up CapCut. So you want to go ahead and open up CapCut. Once you have opened up CapCut here, the next step is to simply import the music into your project. To do so, let this load up first. So as you can see, I've loaded up the project in CapCut. You want to simply click on import here and click on import list icon. Then you can proceed to head into downloads and choose the particular audio that you have downloaded from music and open it up, and now you have imported file which you can drag it to your timeline and proceed to add it. So this is how you can add YouTube music into your CapCut. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.